We love getting and sharing feedback from our satisfied customers. Our goal is to give every customer a 5-star customer service experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. And here's what our customer had to say in our latest online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and client satisfaction. We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.
Problem with this AC is it's actually turned on right now. The fan should be spinning, but all you hear is an electrical hum and then a random buzz, and that's a sign that the capacitor is probably out.
So you shut off the breaker, and you can turn this around to turn it off. Just disconnects the cable. Okay, to open it, there's this panel on the side. And here's the capacitor. This capacitor is leaking a little bit from the side, but also if you look from head on, it's domed, which almost always means it's going bad. Just a visual check you can do.